There were 5 old men who lived in a village. They used to sit in the park every day and watch the children playing, talking about how things have changed in their time and how hard it is to keep up with the new generation. One day they saw a young boy playing in the park. He was trying to jump over a small fence, but he was too short to do so. No matter how hard he tried, he just couldn't jump high enough. The boy stayed at it for hours, trying and trying again and again. The 5 old men were watching him, and one of them said, "Look at that kid. He's been trying to jump that fence for hours now, and he's still not good enough." Another old man said, "That reminds me of when we were young. We used to play a lot of sports, and we were pretty good at it too. But this young generation is lazy, and they don't have the heart of a champion." They all agreed that the boy had failed so many times, and he still didn't give up. But they were too busy criticizing him to notice that the boy wasn't trying to jump the fence to get over it. He was trying to jump the fence to get under it. After a while, they finally noticed that the boy wasn't trying to jump over the fence, but rather under it. And they started to wonder, why is he trying to go under the fence? Just then, the boy stopped for a moment to catch his breath. One of the old men gathered all his strength and shouted, "Hey, boy, why are you trying to go under the fence? Just go over it." The boy looked up at the old man and said, "Because there's a big spider web on the other side and I don't want to get caught in it." The old men laughed and said, "You're too late, son. You should have asked us. We would have told you that there's a big spider web on the other side." The boy replied, "No, I wanted to find out for myself because if I make it, it will be my own victory. If you had told me, it would have been your victory." The old men thought about what the boy said and realized that they were wrong. They had judged the boy and his actions, but they didn't understand his motivation. One of the old men said, "You're right, son. Sometimes we get so caught up in ourselves that we forget to look at others and try to understand their point of view." The boy smiled and said, "I understand. You see, when I jump and reach the other side, I'm not just jumping over the fence. I'm jumping over my limits, my fears, and my doubts. I'm jumping towards my dreams and my goals." The old men were inspired by the boy's words, and they realized that they could learn something from him. They had forgotten what it was like to be young and to have the courage to follow their dreams. From that day on, the old men made sure to support and encourage the boy, and they learned from him the importance of never giving up on your dreams. So remember, no matter how old you are, never stop believing in yourself and your ability to achieve your dreams. With faith and hard work, you can achieve anything.